gets it still.
2nd and 8. Middle of the field, left open for Kelce. Cuts right past Church. Right past Church. Watkins up there with a block. And Kelce ramrod.
And as the Broncos will tell you, he can also throw left-handed. Third and short, and that's going to pick up the first down. And Kelce's going to get free down the sideline.
From the Detroit 46-yard line, that's where we begin with Mahomes on a blitz. He's rolling. Mahomes in trouble, throws back across his body. Oh, and a flip to McCoy from Kelce. Look at this. McCoy in the open field. That was sick. In trouble, throws back across his body. Oh, and a flip to McCoy from...
Here's Mahomes looking. Open field for a moment. He may have been past the line of scrimmage. It's called a touchdown.
2nd and 10 from the 34.
What a catch. Kelce cutting back middle and bull rushing all the way to the 20-yard line.
3rd and 7. 4-man rush. Mahomes on the run. Kelce gets open, makes the catch. Oh, the stiff arm. Kelce's still going inside the 15.
Well, you've got Rasul Douglas on him. You think you're okay. Watch, we talked about leverage. He's on the outside. Look at that, just that.
Mahomes gets away before the hit. What a catch! Just snags it out of the air, away from the defender.
And he did. 2nd down and 10. Blitz coming. Mahomes gets away. Keeps his eyes downfield and fires and completes it to Kelce. What else is new? And Kelce with blocking inside the 20. Rumbling inside the 10. Look at this. Kelce.
Now just one catch shy of Otis Taylor. Here is Kelce. Still going. Still going. Kelce. Good night. Touchdown. Chiefs win it.
Not going for the first down as much as the field goal position.
4-man rush. Mahomes, he's going deep downfield, wide open. Kelce's going to take it all the way. Touchdown.
Unless you have Patrick Mahomes playing quarterback.
Right, and Kelce.
Looking to the end zone for the win. He caught it. Ball game. Chiefs to the championship. In the playoffs, shifts to the left. Here's a 3rd and 2. Mahomes dancing around, spinning around twice. Finds freedom, and in the end zone, he finds Kelce. They connect again for a touchdown.
You're going to always give those guys help because they've had some trouble there at the corner position.
2nd and goal. He lofts it to the end zone, and it is caught.
Stroll in motion. And Mahomes throws it that way. And there's Kelce to the end zone. And right away,
Watch the move here by Travis Kelce. The little hesitation in front of the linebacker and then the double move.
Out on the field. Here's Mahomes down the field. Kelce makes the catch. What a catch it is. Played to perfection.
Tyreek Hill's fast. He's faster than everybody.
3rd and 6. Takes something off of it to get it to Kelce, who somehow roamed. Here's a 3rd and 7. Lofted. Kelce, 10, 5, and down to the 3. Tackled from behind. O'Carrick. Boy, this crowd is worked up. They need a stop from their Colts. There's the pass on the mark. First down. Kelce bouncing off the hit all the way out to the 38.
His linebackers don't come. Mahomes rips it, and it's caught by Kelce. What the defense is doing, they rush 3, and Mahomes throws. What a catch by Kelce! Wow! Terrific stuff.
Mahomes over the middle. Pass caught. Kelce. Touchdown. Mahomes. Kelce's got another touchdown. Mahomes. Kelce looking for his third. He found it. Touchdown. From the 1, Mahomes, end zone. He's got another. 4 on the night. Travis Kelce yet again. Unbelievable, the ability to get open when you just believe the ball's going his way anyway.
Yeah, just a total blown coverage. And now from the gun. Kelce. Just 6 days after a 4-touchdown game of his own. And Mahomes has the time he needs. And he finds Kelce. He was right there with Cam Lewis on the coverage.
In about half a yard.
Mahomes going to throw it wide out. Kelce's wide open. Room to run. Travis Kelce hurdling people at inside the 40. A lot of room for Kelce there in a big second quarter as Mahomes has blocked up well. Looking at Kelce again. Penalty flies. Kelce spins around to the 40. Now let's see what the flags are.
Stop, Kelce. Watch this route.
Holding.
Press man.
Defense number 1. That penalty is declined. Result of the play is a first down.
Remember, Jimmy.
1:21 to go in the half. Thanks, Tom. Here's Mahomes coming near side of Kelce, who turns it upfield. Mahomes stays in bounds, though, or Kelce.
Spin cycle. I mean, watch this route. He goes out. He goes back in. Jalen Ramsey has no idea where Travis Kelce is, and then he's one of the best in the league, run after catch.
Perfect time. Now over the middle. He's got his man. Kelce at the 15. Gets a block inside the 5, and he's in. Touchdown, Kansas City.
The 32. Play action fake. You're going to get Kelce involved. Yes. Here goes Kelce with his first reception down to the 12-yard line.
Second down and 1. Mahomes, fake it, step up. Launches it downfield to Kelce. Travis Kelce.
Second and 10. Jaguars show pressure and bring it. Mahomes has to stay in. Kelce again across midfield for the first down.
Instead of get a quick snap, roll out to the side, and go to the flat.
Is it there?
End zone. Caught. Travis Kelce with the touchdown on 4th and 1. Magic. Kelce's got a corner route. Nope, he sees him, and then he just comes back.
And that they stay on track.
Second down. Mahomes firing. It is caught by Kelce in stride. Travis Kelce up near midfield.
Well, the question every week is, how come nobody can guard Travis Kelce? They use a little motion that changes up the reads for the defense. Motion.
Mahomes looking that way, throwing that way. Kelce got it. Touchdown.
Touchdown!
A tough matchup. We thought coming into this game, Kevin, if they want to play man, they might be okay on the outside, but who is going to guard Travis Kelce inside?
Chiefs on 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's go! Good play, dog. Set.
Mahomes to throw against a four-man rush. Fires it near side to Kelce. Comes back to the ball and hauls it in. Touchdown! Kansas City!
Go all day, boys! All day, boys! We can't guard you! We're here! We're here! All day, baby. Way to make plays. Hey, 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 hey! Thank you. Hey, now we're in no huddle. Hey, now we're in no huddling. Oh, we put this game away. What happens? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yeah! Yeah!
Bills again.
Kelce in the middle of the field. Kelce. He's got a half.
There is a
year we get a chance to do it 3 times in a row. How do you get excited for that, baby? You go party in Las Vegas and then get back to it.
Way to work, way to work. All day, baby. Way to make plays. After you get through, don't fall asleep. He's gonna take that guy. You gotta see that guy. Because I rolled out just to kind of look at him. He just kind of chilled. But I feel like he's gonna kind of start getting depth. You know what I mean? Let's go finish this game, Kelce.
Feel the urgency. Feel that urgency. Right back on it, baby.
looking right, back of the end zone, caught, touchdown! Kansas City finds Travis Kelce.
I'm glad you saw it. I didn't know you were gonna do it. He just does what he wants. He hit a corner route, he just does what he wants.
Just a great little nod shake route down in the goal line.
Crazy part is I knew he was gonna do it. I was like, he ain't running the corner.